I will be showing you how to join Kucoin Spotlight token sales on Kucoin exchange. Press this button. Right now, this is the Spotlight Kucoin token sales general public access. So with this coin called SUI, you'll be able to buy this coin at 0.10 cents USDT, and the total amount offering on Spotlight token is 225 million of SUI token. Add cap per user is 10,000 SUI. So right now I'm going to show you how to join this token sales. You have to scroll down and press this button over here, view, and you have to press confirm. You have to scroll down again, do the second one again, scroll down, press confirm. So after pressing the two confirm, the subscription starts for 15:0001 UTC time, April of 2023, and the subscription ends around April 22, 16 o'clock UTC time. 3. Result ticket draw, April 23, 13 o'clock UTC time. And 4. Token distribution, April 24, 8 o'clock UTC time. So this is the time of details of this token sales, and you just have to press register over here. Press register and you see event in progress. So you have joined this already, so you have to pay attention to the details on how to join this token sales. I've made a video, I'm going to leave it in the video description, how you'll be able to get this ticket, then how by Kucoin will calculate your holdings on your account and the assets you need to have in your account for you to be able to get this ticket. And make sure you do your own research before you take any step on this video. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell.